My name is Jared Holland-Drake. I am the product group manager of Inlet Works for Municipal Power and Industrial. The deep tunnel Bosker is extremely unique, mainly because it was a retrofit application. The tunnel at the wastewater treatment plant is 390 feet down. It was originally bored in 1964, I believe, and was finished just before 1970. The tunnel is connected to a abandoned quartz mine. They use the mine as a storage tank as well as the tunnel. The tunnel holds 2 billion gallons of water. The mine holds another 8 billion, so this is one of the first CSO systems back then. It was mainly to control flooding. The deep Bosker protects very large pumps that are down underground, and before the Bosker was installed, they would have to send men down in man baskets to cut the debris off of the bar screens using chainsaws and picks and those kinds of things every 3 to 6 months. It was obviously very dangerous and very costly. So Ovivo came into the picture when they rehabbed the pumps that were down there, and part of the project was to install the first and deepest Bosker in the world, which we call the Ovivo Deep Clean, featuring bracket Bosker. It's an all cable, all mechanical system. Like I said, it goes 390 feet down, which is almost 4 times what our standard units will do. And the other neat thing about it is it's not on a monorail, it's on a bridge crane, so it has both axes of movement in the room. So the Bosker's root competence is cleaning bar screens, and bar screens are nice because they will protect the pump. The kind of debris that I pulled out is about as random as it gets. Car bumpers, pieces of grating, timber, railroad ties, that kind of stuff, and that will absolutely destroy a pump. What's nice about the Bosker unit is that it is no maintenance and no moving parts below ground. It sends the gripper down and it brings it back up and puts the trash directly in the dumpster. So it's a one handle system, debris handling system. It doesn't take the debris and put it in something for something else to handle the debris. It's one system that handles that. And what's nice about the Bosker unit is you're never sending anybody down in the tunnel. So I think that's what's really key about it. No maintenance. It's extremely safe since nobody has to go down there. And it's a pretty robust system. Obviously, bar screens are inherently robust, and we want to keep it that way. And that's why it can take on the kind of debris that we see. Well, our website is absolutely outstanding for the Bosker system. It has a lot of pictures of some of the first installs of the deep unit, as well as we have an enormous install base of more of our what we call shallow units, which is the same design. It's just anything that's been less than 100 feet deep. We turn into the deep units or the all mechanical units when we go beyond 100 feet. So that's where kind of the line is drawn on the system. But the website's absolutely outstanding. We have lots of literature that's available. And then obviously myself and my team have all the knowledge that we can come out. We can take you to some of the installation base we have in the country. We have almost 150 installs of Bosker units in the US. So there's probably one nearby that we can go and check out and